I wasn't prepared to jog today. I didn't bring tackies and I don't know where's my other stuff. My brother moved in my room and my mommy packed my stuff into boxes. My mommy's shoes and it's a bit big. We're alive, we're happy. That's all that matters. As I don't know the streets of Freedom Works. No way to jog like a nice workout. I'm gonna go the way that I know normally. Almost 12 o'clock. So long. I got up and I started my day. Then laying in bed all day. That's all that matters right now. Gosh, I'm sad to breathe because I don't jog, guys. I do want to start jogging. I'm back in Cape Town. Guys know Bella. I don't jog there really. I don't even know if I can jog here in Vredenburg. I don't even see. But we're here. Yeah, like, it is van die berg. Dit is van die berg. Lyn die berge. Hier die ryk baie lekker. Julle kan ons kos sien, man. Gaan lekker in jou maggies in vanaand. People's watching me while I record. Don't care. I feel lekker. Some calving. God. I'm taking a shortcut. Distance wasn't even long. 3 kilometers and I'm lying. Maybe less. Almost home. I left the house at 11:10. It's 11:45. Why is this muggies coming out washed?